That's called the honorable civil. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the sun-dried, the honorable, sun-dried tomatoes. Gotta use them. That's very important, right? Then we're going to make sure that we put the honorable garlic powder and onion powder. I put an honorable mix that way we don't gotta be staggering all over the place like a bunch of hobos, man. That's all in there. A lot of people, you'll see them put these seasonings in it that they create, and it includes a lot of salt and pepper. You know how I feel about the salt and pepper. I'm getting old here. Can't have the salt and pepper because if I go too hard on salt and pepper tomorrow morning, I can do pepper. That's in there like swimwear. But if I go too far on the salt, what's going to end up happening is going to be a 60-year-old man eventually in another 12 or 13 years. And what ends up happening is it gives it a dishonorable taste in my mouth. I'm drinking apple cider vinegar all my life. You know what I mean? You're just drowning. You're getting up like an apple cider vinegar drunk. And then we can't have it. We can't have it. You can't have it. So what we're going to do is you see, because you thought steak only cooked like this. But I'm giving you understanding that it's not just steak that cook like this. The honorable mushrooms cook like this too. Right? Alrighty. So what do we do here? The people want to know, Erna, what's next? Well, we go ahead and let these honorable mushrooms cook down. Y'all already know how I'm a character, man. It ain't Asian, but it's vegan, you hear me? And these are the same ingredients that you guys will see me use every week. You don't want to go too heavy on it, but you want to make sure that the honor is in full check. Mind you, that's gluten-free. So the people that's running around here with sugar diabetes and all that, they're going to have understanding. One thing about this pan here, I'm going to tell the truth about it. This fills up, cooks Phil's ass. You got to like really be up on it. If you don't, it's like it's going to outcook you. You're going to be sitting around like, what in the hell happened here? I've been outcooked. It's like you mills up. Hey, it's a Phil's like it's a piece of shills at the end of the day. And I'm being nice to her. Could throw this mills up with Phil's like if they're cooking too fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I carry the honor in the purest form. And we're going to add the best honorable veggies there is. These veggies have the purest of honor. We're talking onions, green pepper, red pepper, and orange. So what we're going to do right away, excuse the vegetables. Sometimes the vegetables fall. We're not going to eat them. I might eat them this man that. But at the end of the day, it's like it's not a thing. You know what I mean? Now, a lot of you mills us at home, you're trying to figure out how I learned this.
It's starting to smell like pepper steak.
It's starting to smell like that pepper still steak, you hear me? So what I'm going to do is, because I could act crazy, but these mills us, every chance I get, Rob, are you using metal on metal? These mills us straight eat sugar, salt all day. And they're telling me about metal on metal. I'm going to give them some honors only because you're here tonight. I'm going to make sure everything is a pure honor. They're going to miss out on the honors. But we're not. Dishonorable Pilsix. A lot of them, you know, I'm telling you now, they're sitting home eating raw meat, these Pilsix. This is a whole vegan situation. One thing about the green peppers and the onions and all that, it's your friend. So like I could just go ahead and let this go, and it's not gonna bother anything. I probably can let it sit for another 10 minutes, and we have an honorable flame on there.
Nice one.
Nice honorable flame. We're gonna add this to it, the Hossein sauce. You gotta make sure the Hossein sauce in there. I never had it, but I mean, the honor that I smell in it is like, God, Dilzan, what is it? You know what I mean? Like, what am I up against here? Am I up against something that has to do with honor? I'm getting confused there. I'm not a good doctor, so I don't go too heavy on the salt and none of that. So I make sure that I carry it right. You know what I'm saying? Because some guys will just start pouring shit, and it's like, bro, I don't know which one of those is. They're all dark skinned. You know what I mean? It's like a racist Millsnut who sits up there and says, it was him. It's like, nah, how you know it was him? He was dark, she's dark skinned. Nah, I can't grab that. But I want to get more of the vegan sauce in there. We have an honorable lady that we're cooking for also, right? And we're going to make sure that the taste of this is of pure honor. I'm telling you, these Pilsix, they want to cook like their skin complexion is not ours. You're tasting wine a little bit. It's like almost water. Like, I didn't ask for water in this. If you know, Will's eating, you know, I'm not going in too heavy. They cook with water, bro. They cook with a lot of water, and I don't be understanding it. Like, I don't use water in nothing I do. Now, I might do a tad bit of water if I was using what? Salt. You didn't see this come out tonight, nor did you see this come out tonight. You know why? These are the beginner of the tasting of the honor in reference to steaks and chicken. This is not steak and chicken, although it looks like it. You Pilsix are false. And I'm telling you one thing that I need to give understanding to a lot of you vegans. Stop hiding your recipes. I Google oyster mushroom on here, and it shows somebody doing a quick video. And it's like, what is going on? Like, it's like a short. These shorts, I don't understand it. You Pilsix, you're not giving me the understanding that I need on my videos, neither. You know why? You're going to the shorts. All right, Billy? But the pricks don't understand that the shorts not giving me the bread that the understanding of a whole post do. Y'all shorting me of my coins. And YouTube, you're racist. They racist. The Pilsix, you better pay me. Pilsix. That's the end of this show. We had the Honorable Leap Moss here. But guess what? We're not finished. We're done the honorable oyster mushroom situation. We're done that, right? Got our green peppers, onions. I mean, it's an honorable situation. Now I'm going brown rice. Let me give you an understanding of brown rice. It don't take a lot of work. Don't take a lot of work. Just take a few minutes, and guess what? A few minutes don't hurt nobody because it's patience. And I had to learn patience. It's hard with me with patience. You know, I rush everything. How many times little bro had to tell me, hey, cool out a little bit. You're going fast. You want to crash into a wheels off. Now I got understanding that you don't have to crash. You can just cruise. And I try to give them an example of this, right, bro? You ever ride a Huffy back in the day? Mm-hmm. And the brakes is like, you know, you in gear, you driving, you on your bike, you was cruising. But you notice when you first get the bike, you hit that front brake and you end up. You over there. Because we was from the urban community and we didn't have the understanding, the brakes had to put some wear and tear on it, right? So we had to learn to use that front brake without that back brake and cruise, like just tap it a little bit. You know what I mean? That way you stop. And after a while, you notice the front working like the back brake. You know what I'm saying?
But you know you always got that one guy, right?
Yeah.
Or turn that mistake and make a trick out of it. Next thing you know, he riding down the street on his front tire. Yes.
That's me. My nails that's all in the top of my head. One time I done that. I come out early. You know how you come out? I come out the crib, open the door, to my grandfather, Kurt, open the screen door. I put the bike up, boom. I'm gonna go down there, we step there raise, you hear me? I did a break and it hurt every nail set, including my understanding of the understandings in the inside of my nail sets. They were up there and I was hurt and I couldn't, for days they had to get some understanding to me like, this is your private part, son. You cannot ride on a bike like that. You have to take your time. I never took my time. You know, I'm just getting older now. I'm starting to take my time and things. I'm starting to get some patience, but I don't want to be the guy to be the crash out. And a lot of people looking at me and you in these times, we thought they would be the crash out. We got these mills us by the balls there. We're not the crash outs. We fold the Prilzigs. They say they gonna throw it away. Here we got them. Your Prilzigs now what? Yeah, you call up everybody. You remember how he started telling you about everybody calling me about the honor snatching? Supposed to be friends. Hey, here's the board. They entertained by that. You know, I don't get them calls when they come to the cooking show. They're not calling me. They're not calling me, and I love it. Because you know why? I know they always Dilzig suckers. They just wanted to be on a big screen and say, I know King Erner because he's doing something negative. But they don't know me when I'm doing something positive, and I'm honored by that. Because guess what? They can lay in the grills even Dilzai, and I'll smile about it. I don't give a fills up. Fuck them. Bricks. You pro. You know, like, I mean, really. I don't care. They didn't care about us. We got canned in, what they say. You know, so-and-so got locked up, or you know, his got locked up, he locked up. Or he was tripping. And Blackface used to tell me that in the can. Shout out to Blackface and B-More. He used to always say his. When you crash out, they all they want to say when you go to the hole is, he was tripping. Guess what? We ain't tripping no more. And guess what? We have understanding that you Dilzig suckers were watched and moved by entertainment. When we give something positive, you Prilzigs only watch and say, what is going on? Nothing that you Prilzigs got going on. You Dilzigs are sitting around watching the TV waiting for something negative. Eat a Dilzig. King on the Live and Direct. Taste testing coming up. Make sure you tap in. This is a special episode, and I have my brother here with me, and we're carrying the honor correctly. I want him to taste it. Y'all only know Leek Mars for being authentic in everything he do. I don't care what you talk
right
about.
to y'all. Listen, I'm gonna let y'all know what it's really in for. I know y'all been seeing it on the gram. I know y'all been seeing it. Looks delicious. This right here is vegan. It's a vegan dish, though. I'm gonna let y'all know what it's in for, man. Let's see. You got the, all right, yeah, a little bit of everything in there. After Honorable Bismillah. The flavor in this month. Listen, you hear me? Y'all, listen. Let me get the recipe. Let me see how the recipe. I'm trying here.
Yeah, I'm trying.
I'm trying.
Yeah, ain't no doubt.
I'm gonna try. First of all, the rice is cooked to perfection.
Perfection.
A lot of people can't cook rice.
And it's brown rice.
A lot of people can't cook rice. The steak is seasoned to perfection. Listen, it's not salty. You did this. I ain't gonna lie to you. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. And that's coming from the Honorable Leek Mars. He'll never fraud you, Prilzigs. He'll never fraud you. Make sure y'all tap into the Honorable Cooking Show. I got Leek Mars in the kitchen with me at Experience 132 with Bambino on the camera. And guess what? It's a 10 out of 10. When it's quiet like that, you know, guess what? It's like the Quiet Storm. If you're in Philadelphia, you know about the Quiet Storm.
You still
Kobe Code, radioactive, squalid. I'm the carry person. I'm the carry it. You prolific and creative.
With the carriers of the parish.
Yeah, because they want to shoot them up bang bang all the time. That's over with. We're at an age where we guiding the understanding of a positive, good meal. King Earner Live and Direct. Leak Moss _ OBHGG, King Earner official page. Make sure y'all tap in and make sure y'all understand OBH lives forever. And guess what? Freedom Men and Moss gonna carry the torch.
I got one problem here.
Yeah, tell me now.
Where's the bath?
The beverages. Now, I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna tell you this. I told my lady to bring the beverages. We're gonna give her understanding. Hey, where's the beverages? Live and direct.